Hi, Josh Keegan. I'm with Nigel Jones from Horizon UAS, and we're here talking about his R-Max 50. What is this? It's huge.
This is a R-Max drone, or UAV, depends on how you call it. Basically, I use it for spraying weeds, aquatic weeds, dam walls, dams, and also mine site rehab work.
Yep.
Also, I can change over to a cedar unit, which can be used for same thing, mining rehab as well. So it's basically carries up to 16 to 18 kilos, depends on what it is.
And what's the range on this?
Everything's visual line of sight at the moment.
Oh, okay.
So we haven't gone past the beyond visual line of sight.
Yep. Okay. Fair enough.
Rules, regulations.
Yeah, I know all about that. So yeah, all right, cool. So what else can it do apart from the seeding and weeding and all that sort of stuff? Nigel and I have met before in a previous life, and he was telling me all about how it could possibly light fires.
Yeah, well, incendiary work is still in the development stage.
Yep.
Actually using the next model up from there, which has got a more autonomous system in it.
Yep.
So they've been using it, testing it over in Western Australia.
Okay.
So the company who builds the machines, which is basically Raindance R3.
Yep.
They're building a more compact version of it. So if it all goes plain, like the compact version means they might be able to upgrade the amount of capsules. At present time, they can carry 1,000 capsules.
Oh, right. Okay.
So yeah, it's still visual line of sight sort of work, but they can put a control line in a very short space.
And how close to full autonomy are they?
Well, the Yamaha Fraser can go full autonomy.
Yep.
They still has a controller there as a safety as well, but everything's run off a magic box.
Magic box?
Yeah, screen, controllers.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah, okay, yeah, I remember the magic box, yep.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah, all right, well, thanks very much for having a chat to me. Thanks very much for coming up to the Fraser Coast Drones. And yeah, good
No
chatting.
worries,
Thanks, mate.